Are you carrying the whole world today? You look terrible, Michael.
I am so tired. I cannot feel my legs.
Why are you working so late?
I am helping Dave with his video. Then I must help Sarah.
But you need to sleep. Did you say yes to everyone?
I just want to be a good friend. Is that wrong?
It is wrong if you hurt yourself.
I just cannot say the word no.
Why is saying no so hard for you?
I want people to like me. I hate making them sad.
You are a people pleaser, Michael.
A people pleaser? Is that a bad thing?
It is bad when you forget your own needs.
I just want to keep the peace.
You are buying their happiness with your energy.
That sounds really sad.
It is the truth. You cannot please everyone.
I think I'm falling into the yes trap.
Do you know the real cost of saying yes?
The cost? It just takes a little bit of time.
Time is your life, Michael.
I know, but I feel selfish if I say no.
Saying yes to Dave means saying no to your sleep.
Oh, I never thought about it like that.
You are stealing from yourself.
I'm stealing my own free time.
Exactly. Your time is very valuable.
I need to stop paying this high price.
Why are you so afraid of one little word?
I'm afraid they will get angry at me.
Real friends do not get angry when you are tired.
Maybe they will stop talking to me.
Then they are not real friends. They just want free help.
That hurts, but it is true.
A healthy relationship respects your limits.
I guess I have weak limits.
You must build a wall to protect your energy.
I'm ready to face my fear.
Do you know how to say no politely?
I usually just say, sorry, I can't do it.
That is good. You can also use a soft no.
What is a soft no?
Say, I would love to help, but my plate is full.
My plate is full. That means I'm very busy.
Yes, it sounds kind but very firm.
I do not have to explain everything?
No, a short answer is the best answer.
I will try the soft no next time.
What do you do when someone asks for help suddenly?
I panic, and then I just say yes.
Never answer immediately. Buy some time.
How do I buy time?
Just say, let me check my schedule first.
Oh, that gives me time to think.
Exactly. You can breathe and decide later.
And then I can text them a soft no.
Yes, texting is much easier than talking face to face.
This simple rule will save my weekend.
Is there a middle way between yes and no?
A middle way? I don't know.
You can simply say, not right now.
Oh, like a short delay.
Yes, it is perfect when you are very busy.
I cannot help right now. Is that okay?
It is great. It shows you still care.
But I finish my work first.
You are finally learning, Michael.
I will use not right now tomorrow.
Do you have a fence around your house?
Yes, I do. It keeps dogs out.
You need a fence for your energy, too.
An energy fence? That sounds funny.
In English, we call it a boundary.
A boundary. I like that new word.
It tells people how to treat you.
My gate is always open right now.
Then you must learn to close it.
I am building my fence starting today.
Do you feel bad when you say no?
Yes, I feel so guilty.
Feeling guilty is very normal at first.
How do I stop the guilt?
Remember, you are choosing your own health.
So saying no is actually self-care?
Exactly. You cannot pour from an empty cup.
My cup is completely empty right now.
Then it's time to refill it.
The guilt is slowly going away.
Are you afraid you will miss the fun?
Yes. What if the party is amazing?
That's called FOMO, fear of missing out.
FOMO. I definitely have that.
But are you actually having fun when tired?
No, I just stand there and yawn.
So you're not missing anything.
I'm just missing my warm bed.
Your bed is the best party tonight.
I will say no to FOMO and sleep.
How do you get better at saying no?
I guess I just have to do it.
Start small. Practice in the mirror.
In the mirror? That feels so silly.
It helps your brain get used to it.
Okay. No, I cannot go out tonight.
See? You sound very confident.
I will practice 10 times tonight.
Your friends will respect you much more.
Practice makes perfect. I am ready.
Do you always explain why you say no?
Yes, I give them a very long story.
Stop doing that. Keep it very short.
But I want them to understand.
Too many words makes you sound weak.
Oh, I sound like I am lying?
Exactly. No is a complete sentence.
No is a complete sentence. Wow.
You do not owe anyone a long story.
I will keep my answers very short.
What happens when you finally say no?
I have more time just for me.
Exactly. Every no is a yes to yourself.
A yes to myself. I love that.
What will you do with your free time?
I will sleep and read a good book.
You are taking your power back.
It feels really good, Anna.
You deserve peace and rest, Michael.
I am finally putting myself first.
Let's bring it all together before we go.
I am ready. I have my new boundary.
What is the best way to buy time?
Just say, let me check my schedule.
Perfect. And what does a soft no mean?
I would love to, but my plate is full.
Are you a people pleaser anymore?
No, I am not. My cup is full.
We are so proud of you.
Thank you, Anna. I feel so free.
Goodbye, listeners. Remember to protect your energy.
If you're committed, smash that like button.
Be a hero. Share this with a friend.
To lock in your commitment, subscribe and click the bell.